Hey, you two, welcome back, and thank you for tuning in to my Model 1's Gel Cream demo and review. I unboxed this in a recent Amazon haul, and I am in awe about the packaging. It is gorgeous, so I will be taking my demo tips and reviewing and demoing these beautiful cream gel pots. And like I said, the green and the yellow are my favorites in this set. Their colors are all very summer-like. This Model 1's set comes with 6 different colors of cream gel, as well as this beautiful elastic painting pen that I am so excited for. I love how it just zips in and out, and in each solid cream gel pot, there is 5 grams of product. So we will be starting with this gorgeous yellow. It is thick and creamy, so the consistency is way different than a regular gel polish, and I am liking these creams much better. I feel like you can work with them more, whereas a gel polish is more runny, and these creams, they go wherever you set them, and you don't need a lot to cover a nail, which I thought was really cool. But I'm just gonna grab a little bit more to make it just a little bit more thick, the color more thick. I know these gels are not to be building nails with. This is just to lay over like a color. But my goodness, you all, look at how pigmented this yellow is. It is a perfect yellow. So now I'm going to be jumping right into this beautiful minty green, I would say. Mauve, opaque, minty green. And like I said, it does not take a lot of product to fill up one nail. These cream gel pots are actually meant to avoid thicker nails and to lay down a more thinner surface for nail art. But me, I just like to get the most out of the cream, so I just wanted to see how much I am able to apply before it looks lumpy, and I found the perfect ratio. It's just taking 2 little dabs and putting it in. So now I'm with this beautiful purple, and I've noticed with the purple, it's more thicker consistency than the other colors. So I do have to work with it a little bit more, but nonetheless, beautiful, gorgeous. So now we are going on to this bright blue. It is like sky blue, just beautiful. And the consistency of this blue matches the one of the yellow and green. It's really smooth. The purple one was really thick, but the blue is gliding on like butter. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So now we are moving on to this gorgeous ruby red. It almost looks jelly-like, but let's go ahead and see. Yes, this is also very creamy and buttery. Do you not see this neon-like color, or is it only me? I am obsessed. I do not have any colors like this in my collection. So on to the last color, and this one is my favorite. It is the most neon-like. Look at that. It's like blinding me and my camera. It's so crazy pigmented, and it's the perfect kind of Barbie pink that will really pop. I really see some cute French tips with this color. Gosh, I am seriously in awe. Is this neon to you, or is it just me? Let me know in the comments below. Also, I am so impressed with this pen. No bristles fell out. It applied the gel pots like butter, and within each use, I just wiped it off with 90% alcohol, and it cleaned the brush right away for me to use again. Yeah, this one is my favorite. So this was the full demo and review on all of the gel cream pots. Let me know what you all think and what your favorite color was. Like I said, my favorite color was definitely this pink. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I do hope you enjoyed this Model 1's Cream Gel demo and review. I love hearing from you guys, so let me know what you all think, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Happy Friday, and be safe. Bye, everyone.
I don't think I'll ever stop.